Hi everybody, Damir here again. Today I want to talk about very important thing. We have few important things in this business, but this is one of that is really important. Especially it's no matter what you promote, but this video it's really great for everybody who promote Project Breakthrough. Also, if you promote something else, you must know this. I speak with a lot of people every day, and I see most of the people do same mistake. They don't know anything about his number from his traffic. A lot of people do buying clicks, buying solo ads and stuff like that. I will show you in this example on what you must focus. For example, I know that if you buy 200 clicks, 200 click, a lot of people pay for this more than $1. A lot of people pay less than $1. But I will stick with $1 per click. $1 per click. If you buy, and in this example, I will show you example that it's good. You know, most people don't have a conversion like this, but it's important that you know on the end of the video that you know that this example it's good. That means that most of you don't have result like this. If you buy 200 click, if you buy 200 clicks and you have 55% conversion rate on your landing page, that means that you have on your landing page you have 110 subscribers. That is your landing page. You pay for that $200. That mean that you pay for every of your subscriber, you pay $1.8. That is your price for every subscriber on your autoresponder, on your list. Okay. Next is go your product or Project Breakthrough opt-in page or product that you promote, whatever. If we take that on that we have conversion rate about 35%. 35%, that means that we have 38.5, but we will put 38 sale. This is sale. That means if you promote Project Breakthrough on the end, that means that you have on front end you have $57. Okay, this is your number. You pay $200 and you have on the front end back your ROI, your earning is $57. Okay, and this mean that that you pay from 200 click, 38 sale. That means in this case that you pay $5.2 per sale. This is $1.5 sale, Project Breakthrough sale. This is your number from a lot of people, from 90% people. Believe me, if you check this is your number. And a lot of people, first mistake, a lot of people don't know this. They don't even know that they pay for more than $5 per sale or 1.8 per subscriber. They don't know that. And if they know, that is good, but a lot of people don't know even this, and they what his focus is on more traffic. They always buy traffic, go more and more traffic. They have focus on wrong thing. They don't need more traffic. They need something else. I will show you from my example, from my traffic. From my traffic for 200 click, I pay, I don't buy click, I make my own traffic. And for same 200 click, I pay, for example, not for example, normally it's 20 cents. It's better than that, but we will take like this. I pay 20 cents. That means that for same 200 click, I pay 40 bucks. Okay. Here you have 55% opt-in rate. Here you have 35% opt-in rate. With same click, I have also like you 110 conversion. That mean that I pay for that around 36 cents. I pay 36 cents for my subscriber, and you pay $1.8. Okay, then Project Breakthrough or other offer, 38 sale, it's same amount, 57 bucks. I spend $40 and earn 57. That mean 40, 38. That means that I have price 1.05 per sale. This is my price per sale. You see the difference? And believe me guys, believe me, a lot of people have much worse result than this, and believe me, I have better result than this. And what is here reported? Don't focus on much traffic, more traffic. Don't do that. You must focus on this. You must focus on this. You must focus on your price per click. You must focus on what you invest and what you earn. A lot of people think, okay, I invest $2, $3, $5 in front end, and everybody hope that they will have upsell and stuff like that. That is good, but I don't like that I hope for something. I know that I will make money with $1.50 sale. I make money here immediately, and everything that happened in the funnel for 5, 10, 2 months, that is bonus for me. I don't think about that. My main focus is that I make money with this $1.50. That is my focus only, and every day I work on that. I want to make money on $1.50. Everything that happened later is good. That is my bonus, and it's great. But a lot of people, it's desperate because they invest money in more and more traffic, and they hope that they will have upsell, that they will have return of his investment. That's my point, guys. Make focus on that you pay less for the click, much less. That it's insane how much people pay for click. For me, that it's definitely not option. And make focus that you make money. If you make 10 cents, it's good. It's good. Believe me, guys. I run some campaign that I have per sale. I pay 30 cents per sale. That is 500% return of investment on the front end. So guys, that's it. I hope that that now I just want from this video that you have clear picture. You must go through your business and see your number. What is your number? How much you pay for every subscriber, for every sale? How much you pay on the end? Okay, guys. I really hope that this is help to understand how you can run this business. Okay. If you like this video, make a comment below. I want to see what you're thinking about this. And guys, don't hope. You can't hope in this business. You must know your number. You must know what you do. Okay, and everything is easy, because I see a lot of people don't. It's confused. It's confused about everything. But guys, this is really simple. Just you must put some work inside. Okay, stay awesome and see you in next video.